And so it begins. I just had my tables built, and I have tons of stuff. Getting ready for my big sale. This is nothing. I have so much more. So much more to go. Got a table full over there. So much stuff. Yeah, we had these free pallets, so we just made tables out of them. So this is going to be a lot of fun. I can't wait to get this all set up. We're also going to run a 10 by 20 tent down the middle. And I'll also have like 5 more tables to put out. This is going to be epic. Get ready, everybody. Stay tuned for an ETA.